about to replant this Japanese maple. This here pot. I had some mulch on top of it. I'll put all down there. Japanese maples grow well in pots. Ooh. As you see, it has some roots growing. Now, inside of here, I already had compost. Ooh. See, this is why it helps to have help. It's really rich. It's not really good to use soil from the ground inside of containers because they'll dry out. This is a hill too, awesome. But they'll dry out, so it's best to add different things to it. Let me help you out, show you all. I can put some more of this in there. You don't want the top of the Japanese maple to be covered. I actually probably have too much because I still have to put some mulch on top of it. Containers are usually the only containers I see in the fall in love. Okay, and then the mulch you can plant it going up. Then I'm also on a hill, so one container. Transplanting from here to there inside of my crepe myrtles. See my fern back there? I painted that pot. And here's my new additions. Went to Walmart today. I have some herbs down there. I finally brought home these succulents from work. Oh, look at them. They're so beautiful. So I'm going to plant these in the yard today. Here I added a clip from my previous video, which now the solution has been solved. Also had to transplant my Japanese maple yesterday because it was in too much sun, in which now it's still in sun, but I think that sun up there, y'all excuse the mess, my tree fell, I'm still working on that, but it'll fix itself. I love Japanese maples. I'm so sorry I let that happen to you. It happens so fast. I do have holes in the bottom of that pot, so I'll see how that works. Otherwise, I'm trying to shop for more pots.